You may wonder who invented popcorn, but actually nobody really knows who invented popcorn, but they know it's been around for centuries. The first ears of corn were found in 1948 in bat caves that were known to be over 4,000 years old. It's probably safe to assume that popcorn was popular in places where corn was grown as a major food source. Even in 1519, Cortez saw popcorn when he invaded Mexico. Popcorn was important to the Aztec Indians as a food source, but they also made necklaces and decorated their headdresses with popcorn. Well, I don't know about you. I love popcorn, whether I go to the movies or I'm sitting around my house watching TV. And there's many popcorn makers on the market. But you can actually just make popcorn at home in a regular cast iron pan. Just put a little oil in, the popcorn, like about a half a cup of popcorn, put it on your stove and let it pop away. Add a little salt and you're ready to go. I'm Jan from Kitchen Kitchen.